Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we have successfully completed our edit and the update portion. So now in this video, I want to discuss about the delete. So if you click as a delete, then it should be deleted. So if you want to do that work here, I have already put that link. Like if you go to our category, not the category, there is a brand page, right? So into the brand and the brand index page. So that is our index page. And here you can see that is actually our delete button. That means that is actually our delete button. That is our index page. So into the brand index page, I have already put that link as a brand and delete one of the URL. And also here we have to delete it with a specific one of the ID for the reasons. Here if you put your cursor, you can see it's now showing as a brand delete, and the 3. There is our another ID, 2 ID, and there is a 1 ID. So before delete it, I want to add one of the on click function. That means when you click as a delete, first of all it will ask you to, are you confirmed to delete? Then you can, if you click as yes, then it should be deleted. Okay, so better I want to add it. So after this I want to add that on click. Okay, I add it as a on click, and with the on click they have also one of the JavaScript code as a return, and return the confirm. And then into the confirm area, I want to add one of the confirm message as a, are you sure to delete? So this type of one of the message it will be displayed. I show you now. If you click as a save all, so that is a on click, return, confirm, are you sure to delete this message? So that message will be visible. Refresh it, click as a delete. Yeah, you can see it's now showing this type of one of the pop-up. Here you can also use some of the sweet alert, you can use some of the toaster. Right now it's okay with me. So here if you click as OK, then it should be deleted. So after that we have to create our this URL, right? That means this URL we have to create in our web route. So after this, better here I copy it. That will be actually get method. Better I copy it and paste it. So here I name it already. I name it as a brand delete. I copy it, and now here it will be as a brand delete, and also brand delete will with a specific one of the ID into the brand controller. I want to create one of the method as a delete. Okay, so that will be as a delete. So now I want to create this delete method in our brand controller. So now go to our brand controller here. So after this, so that is our last one, that is update. So here after this I want to create another one as a public, and then function, and then our method name will be as a delete, right? So that will be as a delete method. So in the delete method they have also, we have to pass our ID, because of all they have also one of the ID, that means the requested ID. I think you already know about it, friend. So that is our ID. So in particular that area I want to delete it. And if for the delete they have the one of the functionality I want to add, when our this data, that means when our this brand will be deleted, this brand image also I want to delete it from here. Okay, that means here we have to actually unlink it. So here if you want to do that work, so first of all I want to actually delete it. So better I take our model as a brand. Okay, I'm using that Eloquent ORM. So that is a brand model, and then find our ID, our this requested ID. So I add that requested ID and then simply delete it. Okay, that means the delete function, I add it. So it should be deleted, right? And after that delete, if you want to return some of the page, you can return it. Better I copy it, and it will be returned, redirect to the back page. That means into the back page here I want to visible on the success message as a brand deleted successfully. This type of one of the messages will be visible. And now I have to actually delete this image. This image means is already saved in our database, right? So into the database we have to find out first of all this image field. So if you want to find out this image field, here I want to take one of the variable and I name it as image, whatever you want. So now with this brand, okay, with this brand I want to find out a specific this ID data, That means this ID image I want to actually find out. Okay, so here if you want to find out, I take one of the another variable as the old image, and with this old image, that means with this brand we actually get our specific ID data and take the things with this image, right? So with this image I want to access our which field? I want to access our this brand image field. Okay, so this brand image field here, they have already this data, that means the image data. So I want to add that our field name as a brand. Okay, brand underscore image. So that will be our brand image. So I take this our brand image and I take the things with this variable, right? So now what we have to do, simply I want to add that a specific this ID, this brand image, this field data, right? So I want to unlink it. So if you want to unlink, then automatically it should be delete. So I name it as unlink. So unlink our which one? Unlink our this old image, right? So I take it, I take this with this variable. So now that will be our unlink image. So that means when this data will be deleted, automatically our this image will be unlinked. So it will be also deleted. Yes, that's all you have to do. Okay, so that's all you have to do. So now let's check this out. It's perfectly working or not. Click as a save all. And now if you go your site, click as a refresh. And now I want to delete this one. There's an open card. So right now they have the 3 picture. I want to delete it. It asks me for, are you sure to delete? If you click as a cancel, it will be okay. If you click as a okay. Yes, you can see it's now showing as a brand deleted successfully, and also it's now totally gone from here. And if you go to our database, refresh it, yes, it's all successfully gone from here. And if you check your folder, yes, you can see this image is already unlinked from to this position. So for the reasons, you can see it's now also perfectly gone from everywhere. So here we successfully insert the brand, we successfully edit this brand, update this brand, and also now delete this brand, right? So here we successfully did that work. But in our next video, I want to discuss about one of the Laravel packages, the intervention package. Right now you can see whatever the images you actually uploaded is dimension as this one. So if you want to add some of the your own dimension, like into the any kinds of e-commerce site, there is a image size limitation is very much important. So if you add some of the image specific size when you upload that image, then you can also set it with using this package as an intervention package. So how can working with this intervention package? In our next video, I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.